The South Tyrolean company DUKA SA develops and produces a high-quality and incomparable shower experience, the DUKA Shower Emotion. For their new state-of-the-art large production building, they installed a fully automatic warehousing concept with Italian logistics system integrator AUTOMHA S.p.A. For all conveyors, distribution and sorting lines of the automated high bay warehouse, the Avancon ZPC and OTU systems have been integrated. High speed was not required. All systems run at 0.3 meter per second. Everything is controlled by the central IT system and works fully automatically. Since all parts are stored in the same containers, Avancon was able to offer an economical system by using a roller combination with only 3 polyamide roller corpus on each side. The OTU tables in this installation have many functions. They work as an intersection, as crossings, as corners, and as a 180-degree turn when the barcode labels are delivered on the wrong side. Alternatively, Avancon installed a very special turntable which has the ability to move boxes longitudinally but still allows to transport further crosswise to the direction of the conveyance. Do you see the movement of the OTUs while the turntable is turning? Such a turntable was necessary when boxes are loaded inside at one end only. In general, this turntable can also be used when the bottom of the boxes is not really flat. With the peerless Avancon ZPC system, the entry and exit and the handover for the AGVs to and from the production area were elegantly solved. AUTOMHA and Avancon worked closely together to deliver an excellent solution for DUKA SA, the shower cabin manufacturer.